Welcome back to the Microsoft Excel training. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the rank function. The rank function is a statistical function. The rank function is used in Excel to determine the position of a number within a list of value. It helps in ranking numbers from highest to lowest descending order or lowest to highest ascending order, so based on their magnitude. The syntax will be equals rank, then you provide a number, that is the number you want to rank. The reference is where the number is grouped, and then the order that you want to place. The key features here is rank numbers dynamically within a data set, support both ascending and descending orders. It's useful for leaderboards, performance tracking, and of course, competitive analysis. Does not break when the data set updates. And then for handling duplicate ranks, you should use something like RANK.EQ or RANK.AVG. Now let's go into the Excel worksheet and see how this function works. So I have two examples here, and I'm going to use this particular data here has some duplicate values. So we're going to use another rank example. So for this, we're going to say equals rank. And then the first thing that the rank function is asking for is the number. So we'll provide the number, that is the number. Then the next thing, you put a comma, the next thing is the reference. So the reference will be the entire range of values that you are working with. You provide the range of value, and then it's always good you make it absolute reference. So making it absolute reference will keep it logged. That means that that range will not change. So I'm going to make it absolute reference. That is $B, $2, $B, $17. That's my range. And then I'm going to choose 0 for descending order. Then I'll just close my bracket and hit the enter key. So as it is now, if I copy this formula down, I will see 90 is ranked as number third. We have 92 is ranked number second. We have 98 is ranked first. So if you want to add a text to something like this, you can easily put an ampersand and something like rank number, or maybe 5th, 10th. But for the fact that these values are different, your function will have to be extensive. So you can just put the rank. So but just for an example, so let's say you want to say something is first, but since all of them are not going to use this prefix, this suffix, then it's not going to be useful for all of them. But what I'm trying to do is just to put something like this. So as you can see, it's not applicable to third. Okay, so it should be, but you can use if function to determine what the value should be. Okay, now so that's the ranking. That's the ranking. Now, for these ones that have duplicate values, you can use equals rank. So you can say rank.EQ. Then you pick your number, followed by the reference. That the reference means you pick all the range. Like I said, you have to make your work accurate. Make your reference absolute by putting a $sign before G and then before 17. So I used the function key F4 before to just automate that process. Put 0 for descending order, and then you use the enter key. So if you drop this down, you will see that where you have duplicate value, it ranks them similarly. Okay, so which means they fall in the same category. Let's see another duplicate. 67 appears twice, and the two of them are in the 8th position. Okay, so you can, all right, so you can use the EQ, you can use the rank AVG. The rank AVG will make it look like this. So this is the kind of result you're going to have because it's going to work on the average. Okay, it's going to work on average. So any value that appears twice will be placed on average. Okay, placed on average. So I would prefer to use the EQ, except for the uniqueness of your task. Your task. Okay, so that is the rank function. That's a rank function. So see you in another session when we'll be looking at another function. Bye for now.